going fast.
Holy cow! Good job! That was awesome! Oh, here comes you! Slide! Good job! Oh, look who decided to show up.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Here we are in Silver Lake in Utah. We came here when the twins were 1.5 years old. It was October of 2017, so it's a little different coming in nice weather. It was pretty chilly last time, but man, so peaceful, beautiful here. It's a little hazy in the sky from the California wildfires. The smoke is blowing over this way. All right, let's ask Nora. Nora, what do you think of it? Do it.
She'll do it like.
Yeah, we got her do it.
Oh yeah. Okay, like.
Guys, will you make say cheese, sweeties? Say cheese. Hey, where's the camera?
Is that a cheeseburger?
What's on my head? Here, closer.
Hannah came dressed to the nines for a hike. She's not ready for photos.
It's not really a hike.
You're just so natural.
Just got my hiking outfit on.
Stop! This isn't really a hike. I knew we were like gonna be inclining. Oh,
Hannah's trying to get on a Hiker Girl magazine cover. It's a mallard.
Listen, we're gonna walk around Park City too, I thought.
Oh yeah.
Look at already knocking down trees though.
It kind of looks like a Sasquatch has been here.
Pretty spotty.
He built a little A-frame.
Oh yeah.
Very smart of him. Very smart.
For his feet.
A pool. There's like a pool over there.
I thought that was a Sasquatch. It's Grady. So Hannah thought we were walking down a runway having a clothing contest
Oh
here.
my gosh, I like dresses.
I mean, yeah, Hannah, hands down, you win. We all give up.
Oh my gosh, stop.
Just thought we were going through the woods, but
Hannah, you know he's just jealous, right? He always has to be the best dressed. Now he's intimidated.
So you know, Hannah, this will live on for years and years.
oh yeah.
I'm not jealous.
The time that Hannah
Oh my
dressed formal for a hike.
It's a freaking sundress.
So Hannah also went with her diamond encrusted glasses to show us up.
These are dope, huh?
They are. They're awesome.
So go. Go.
What are you thinking of, Dustin?
You've seen better. It's a lot better view from up here. You guys are missing out. You got like 3 feet of air off of that one. That's like rotted out wood.
Taking the edge off a little bit before you were out on that date? No.
No, that was all natural.
That was just.
That was a glass of
Sam's
water
children.
and go for it. Yeah, we were just having a good time.
On, like, putting together a video necessarily once we got going, I don't think, right?
No, I think we were just goofing
I
around.
was just like trying to.
And then we were
Not
just
be
playing
my
off of
normal
each
self.
other. We were just having fun. And yeah, a free night. No children.
Have you guys saw it?
We ready?
Yeah.
For a convoy? See what yours are. Oh, 575.
Because Lauren's hauling trash down there, and she's like, Dustin's a slow driver. I'm like, because he's trying not to ride the bikes.
Check it out, guys. If I had my skateboard, right down this thing, no problemo.
This is, of course, Azerbaijan, Russia, Delaware.
This is downtown Park City. Oh, I didn't know that was Hannah. I just saw someone fancy over here. And I just saw somebody fancy out of the corner of my eye. I didn't know it was you.
Oh my god.
Didn't know you were with us.
I can't even.
Hannah, is the Kentucky Derby going on? What's up, Aya? Oh, it's hot. Sorry. Nora.
Oh yeah, I saw
Hey,
it.
Nora.
Oh, look at
Can you
that.
do some squats?
Huge muscles, Reagan.
Walk a little farther up this.
Not all about you,
I want to see if I recognize this place. Can't say we were trying to get because I
You know
never.
you're strong.
This is why I love training at high elevation. Just really opens up your lungs. So good. Feels great. Oh yeah. And here we are. Park City. Read it and weep. Here comes the Hoffman Travelers. They couldn't keep up.
Nailed it. You got a dweeb ass beard going on.
Do one more. We're just stopping for a quick pit stop for some coffee. Pun intended.
Good one.
I'll do a pan for sure. Ready? You ready for this?
Tilted balls. Right in the water.
Why can't I see it?
Just turn it off.
Yeah. Work it.
We're in downtown Park City. This place is super cool. We were here back in 2017 and we fell in love with this place.
And we were making plans to possibly open a coffee shop, maybe a blowout bar, and we were really excited to potentially move here in the next couple of years. I don't know if that's our plan anymore, but it is a very cool place to come check out, and there's a lot of just different hikes that you can take, and the downtown area is really beautiful.
Yeah, really cool, really narrow streets, trendy. Oh, here's Hannah all dressed up.
Sure.